I've been working on this project since 2006. I'm Principal Design Advisor and have been working mainly on structures and utilities across the site. We used the Riba Competitions Office. They supported and managed two of the competitions that we've run here on the Olympic site. One of them was the Central Park Bridge, which has been designed by Hennig and Peng, which is in the centre of the park. And the second was the Velodrome, which was the cycling circuit for the Olympics, which has been designed by Michael Hopkins with Expedition Engineering. Once we'd identified that the centre of the park was the place to have our showcase bridge, we put together a design brief, and then we went to the Riba to run and support the competition for us. We went from a long list of about 97 entries for the project to a short list of 6. Ultimately, we got down to one, which is designed by Hennig and Peng and Adams Cara Taylor, who were the engineers. For us, it was the project that met our brief the best, because all of the Olympic Park bridges are about the continuity of the land from one side to another. We wanted a bridge that was dynamic and interesting, but also wasn't something that was sticking out of the landscape and that didn't work with the other venues and the rest of the site. Hennig and Peng have designed a bridge which follows that concept. Underneath, it's a glossy stainless steel bridge. You know, it's very dynamic and very beautiful in terms of its form. Going through the competition process was particularly helpful because we had 6 different schemes to choose from. And actually, from a client's perspective, when you're looking at all of the constraints you have, like the time, the budget, what you want to achieve, having the 6 options to choose from really does allow you to distinguish what are the key qualities that you're looking for, not only from a design team, but to achieve on the site. What did surprise us was the range of options that came forward for something that you would think is very simple. You know, a bridge crosses from one side to another, but there are a wide range of ways of doing it, and the competition drew those out. It drew out 6 options for us to choose from. From an Olympic Delivery Authority perspective, you know, it's very valuable on a project which is very high profile, buy in an expert resource to help us deliver these things. People who have done them before, who know what they're doing. The benefits for us were that the RIBA were on hand, they were available, they were helpful. They helped us organise the process within a short period of time. They took over a lot of the administration, and that they were a neutral organisation who could help us develop the solution that met our needs the best, and to understand and put together a kind of coherent response to all of the other options. I only believe that you can do that through a design competition, because if you don't generate that range of ideas and you just stick to one option, you never really achieve the full potential you want to with your project. We're all really proud of what we've done here on site. You can see the venues out there, you can see the stadium, the landscape. For us, you know, this is a really exciting moment, and it's not far away. We're over the hump now. We're coming down the other side, and we're really looking forward to the games coming here to London. So it's going to be a spectacular moment.